सलाम नमस्ते, मैं नवाज खान। आज आपके लिए एक थोड़े से अलग टाइप के कस्टमर हैं, हमारे पास गेस्ट हैं और ये हमारे पास आते रहते हैं। सो ब्रो, व्हाट्स योर नेम बाबा?
My name John.
Your name is John. Yeah. So you come here often, huh?
Yes.
You
It
come
is
here
a
often?
very nice place.
Nice
I
place.
like your service. Okay.
So how many phones you already bought from here?
I like 3 or 4, 5. I will
4, 5
say
phones.
Yes.
So you like us, huh?
Yes.
So where you from, basically?
I'm from Biafra.
You are from
Biafra.
Biafra.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your original name?
My original name is John.
John is your original name. What's your name?
Prince is my
Prince.
Yeah.
You are his friend.
Yes, it's my.
So you are my friend too. You are my friend too. That's nice. So अभी इन्होंने लिया है ये Spark 10 Pro.
Yes.
So they buy a new phone here, Spark 10 Pro. टेक्नो बहुत फेमस ब्रांड है अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज के अंदर, तो काफी सारे जो अफ्रीकन कस्टमर्स हैं वो टेक्नो को प्रेफर करते हैं, तो इन्होंने भी प्रेफर किया। यू लाइक दिस ब्रांड?
Yes.
यू लाइक दिस फोन? सो शो मी द फोन। ये देखिए, बहुत ही अच्छा दिखने वाला फोन है, काफी अच्छा दिखता है। तो सो यू लाइक दिस, हाँ?
Yes.
So have you got a gift from us or not?
No.
No?
No gift.
No gift?
Yes.
You want it or not?
I want.
You want?
Yes, I deserve it.
You deserve it? Yeah, that's nice, you deserve it. So you are very good customer for me. So this gift is for you.
Oh, thank you. God bless you. I
Yeah,
really
thank you very
appreciate it.
much.
I give you more customers.
Keep
okay?
supporting us
Yes, no problem.
and
Thank you.
keep coming, keep bring your friends here.
Yes. I already show all of them.
Yeah.
This is a very nice place. Your service is very nice. Okay.
You are satisfied with?
Yes.
You are happy?
Yes.
Okay, that's
why
nice.
I always come from my school to here to purchase. Okay. I drive from Gugon to here to purchase.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.